hello, hello, hello. Why so many hello? Because I want you to gear up for the next topic, mensuration. In mensuration, we will be doing first perimeter and area of a square. This is your own Pathshala, your classroom, fun with maths. Here I have drawn a square whose each side measure a unit. Side is a units. Why I am writing a units? Because it may be centimeter, it may be millimeter, it may be meter and so on. So perimeter of a square is it is equals to 4 into side. 4 into side, that is 4a, because side we have taken a. 4a units. If perimeter is given, then side is equals to side of a square is equals to perimeter divided by 4. P is the symbol for perimeter. P is the symbol for perimeter. Now next thing is area of a square. Side is same, a unit. Area of a square is equals to side into side. That means square units. What we have is square units. That means if side is given in centimeter, then it will be square centimeter. If it is given in meter, then square meter, or meter square we say. If it is given in millimeter, then we say millimeter square. So it is equals to, as our side is a, this becomes a square units. Now the case comes if area is given. If area of square is given, then side is equals to under root area, square root of area. In the later session, I will tell you how to find the square root of area. You can see this line, say this is vertex A, B, C, D. The line segment joining the opposite vertices, this is known as diagonal. So diagonal of a square, we find how? By using Pythagoras theorem, because each vertical angle of a square is of 90 degree. This is a right triangle. So diagonal of a square is equals to under root a square plus a square, that is under root 2a square, or a root 2 units, or a root 2 units is the diagonal. Now again we have, if diagonal is given, then area of square is equals to 1 by 2 into diagonal square. 1 by 2 into diagonal square. If diagonal is given, then area of square is half into diagonal square. I hope till here I am clear to everyone. I have explained perimeter of square, If perimeter is given, how to calculate side? I told you area of a square. If area is given, how to calculate side? Diagonal of a square, I have shown the working, that is a root 2 units. And if diagonal is given, then area of a square is equals to half into diagonal square. Now I have taken up a question where you can calculate all the things. Most of the things, not all the things. Find the perimeter, area and diagonal of a square whose each side measure 5 centimeter. First of all, in solution we will write side of a square. It is 5 unit, 5 centimeter. First of all, we calculate perimeter. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. We studied now 4 into side, that is 4 into 5 centimeter. That is 20 centimeter. Next is area. Area of a square is equals to side square, square unit, that is 5 into 5 centimeter square, which is 25 centimeter square. Two things we have found. We have found two things. Now let us continue. We have calculated perimeter, we have calculated area, diagonal is left. So diagonal is equals to, we write the formula, diagonal is equals to a root 2 units. That means only in place of a you write 5 and it will be your answer. Root 2 as it is and centimeter. Children, if from here only I am taking an example, suppose diagonal of a square is given, diagonal of a square is 5 root 2, then what would be area? Then area is equals to half into diagonal square, that is half into 5 root 2 whole square, which is half into 25 into 2. When you will square, this root will disappear. 2 and 2 cancel, 25 centimeter square. You can check from previous part that area came 25 centimeter square. Here also area came 25. For today's session, it's enough for you. You have done about a square. I hope you have understood. If you have any query, every time I ask you to write in comment box. And please, when you watch video, do write your precious comments over there, because I wait for them terribly. It's not that you just watched and liked and that's all. No, at least let the video go on and you write some comment. Which thing was missing? What do you extra want in the video? So, for today it's enough. Stay home, stay safe.